Hello everybody, welcome to GetPrintX. In this video, we will learn how you can install the GetPrintX app on Shopify, how you can connect your Shopify store, connect your products and place automatic orders on GetPrintX. When you are new to Shopify, this would be the interface to you. You have to go to the apps on the left, just search GetPrintX. If you don't find the GetPrintX app here, just search GetPrintX on the Shopify App Store. Click on the GetPrintX app and just click on install. Once you click on install, the app will ask the permission and just install it to your Shopify store. Once you install the app to your Shopify store, if you are already logged into the GetPrintX, your store would be automatically connected. You can track that on the last option, which is Connect Store, WooCommerce and Shopify. Once you click here, you can see your store link is created here and your store is connected successfully. So in this way, you can automatically connect the GetPrintX app to your Shopify store. Once your Shopify store is connected to the GetPrintX app, but to link it to your Shopify store, you have to click on Link Store Product. Once you click on Link Store Product option, you would be able to see all the products available on your store. If you are unable to see, just click on Sync Products. Once I just click on Sync Products, all the products are shown here and I can select my saved design by whichever name I have created. For example, I have created with this name. If you are unsure about the name, you can check it under Direct Order section. In Direct Order section, you would be able to see the name of the design you have created and you can just link your design with the design on your Shopify store. Just click here on Select Save Design and just click on the name of the design and just click on Sync Design. Once you do this, your GetPrintX product would be linked to your Shopify store. After receiving any order from your store, just click on Store Orders. All the orders would be shown here and you can simply just click on Add to Cart, View Cart and just place the order. All the customer details and addresses are automatically picked up and there is no need to enter them manually. As you can see, the order is successfully placed and you can check that under the order status section. As you can see, my order is placed and all the customer details are taken successfully. In this way, you can install the GetPrintX app on your Shopify store, link the products from your Shopify store to GetPrintX and place the orders automatically from your Shopify store. Hope this video is helpful. If you have any queries, just let us know and our team will reach out to you. Until then, happy dropshipping.